What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get started on this here monster known as Godzilla. Sorry. Alright, look, we got this engine right here. We got to start tearing all this shit off of here. The intake, the exhaust, all the fucking accessories. We got to try to save as much of this harness as possible. And we're going to try to go ahead and start fitting the engine in and then work around it and build it all back up. Got a lot to do, so I'm going to stop talking and get to it. I wouldn't open that yet. There's not going on yet. run away from it. If I can just get it past the fucking studs. Okay. Look here. How many intake gaps did you get? Yeehaw! I don't know why they ever thought this was a good fucking idea. Now I can get to it. Maybe. No. Short socket. Here, take that and just kind of move it over there out of the way. And don't let that up. Intake irritation here, bro.
Again?
Yeah. I know where I use. See how much battery power we've got left on this here camera. Damn, this son of a bitch is almost dead. Got it out in the open and you still can't get to the ship. gasket.
Oh.
The gasket's still in one piece. Woohoo! That's what the fuck's up right there. Alright. These ITBs off. ITBs removed. Put these over here behind the intake. Yeah. You know what I think we ought to do? Gotta see you got a vacuum line that broke up there. Where? Right here. Couldn't see it. You know, it's behind all the ITB shit. Don't even know what the fuck it went to. That shit's dry rotted as hell. Probably went to something else around the top of the intake. So there's nothing there. So,
Any other gaskets that I need?
oh, I'm pretty sure there will be. Ted, what is it? The
Take our body gaskets.
the gasket that you've already got. What was that? The exhaust gasket, I guess. Probably oil cooler gasket, since you said it probably ripped. Alright guys, so for now, we got the intake off, took all the ITBs off. They're all right here. Got 3 ITBs, one for 1 and 2, 3 and 4, then 5 and 6. So that was a pain in the ass. I ain't even gonna lie. That shit got me sweating. It's cold as hell out here. It's like 30-something degrees. But that looks like the gasket that goes behind there. Because this is the plenum, or no, this is the actual lower intake. That's the upper plenum. So that's probably the actual plenum gasket.
This gasket, and then I got a oil pump gasket.
Well, this might even be. No, this don't look like. This looks like it might be exhaust. Well, nope. Nope, it's intake.
Alright. I'm about to order the other gaskets.
That's the inside in them. What, buddy?
I like Spider-Man.
Yeah, you like Spider-Man? Spider-Man's a cool dude.
Is this Justin?
Yeah. This is Justin's engine. That's Justin's car.
What about he shaves all his beard?
Huh?
Shaves all his beard off.
Justin didn't have a beard. He had a mustache.
I had the Fu Manchu.
Oh yeah, he had a Fu Manchu. It was like a half mustache and half goatee.
Just in the middle because I couldn't grow an actual one.
Alright, we're going to stop the video for right now. This will be part 1 of the engine teardown. Don't have a whole lot of battery life left on this camera, so I need to let them charge, and then I'll start it back up. We'll do the exhaust side. I'll probably compile all the footage together and make it in one full video, so just be prepared. Probably won't get it all done today, but we're gonna make a little progress. And good thing is we don't have to worry about the clutch. The clutch has got plenty of meat left, as you can see right there.
Daddy, what is this?
That is an intake, a breather for, it goes like right here. My son's trying to learn a little bit about cars, but it goes right here. Okay? Or no, I lied. It goes here. It's gonna go here. That's where your intercooler pipe goes. This is where the breather goes for the turbo. It's a filter. It's an air filter, son.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, and if anybody's been wondering, there's the stormtrooper sitting over there waiting to get some stuff done on it. We got import face-off coming up at the end of the month, so I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and get that. I'll probably go ahead and get the head gasket here in a little bit, and I'll start tearing it down, put the new head gasket on it. But for anybody that's wondering, it does still run. I can get in there and crank it up right now if I can find my damn keys. Excuse me, Justin. Peter! Go ahead and crank this thing up real quick. Oh, and I kind of time looped right through the video where I showed y'all the Skyline, and I had done all that work for my friend on his Civic. This is the other new car that I got.
Hey, I want to sing. Hello, YouTube. How you been?
It's a 2003 Nissan Sentra SER Spec V. It's the 6-speed manual. I just threw some new tires on there last weekend because they were pretty rough. Not too shabby. Interior needs a little bit of loving, but you know, got a cigarette burn hole. That was there before I bought the car, so you know, I do smoke, but that was not me. All right, come on. Let's go on over here. We're gonna pop the hood on the Stormtrooper and look and see how rusty this old turbo has gotten. Let me do this quick because it's saying I don't have any battery power left. Oh no, my battery might be dead. Oh, nope, it's not dead.
It's not dead.
But the battery on the camera's about to die. So let's check this real quick.
Oh my God.
Woo. Man, I haven't ran this thing in a minute. Look how rusty that damn turbo's done gotten from sitting. That's okay though, I got a turbo blanket coming for it.
Dad, what's that?
That's the oil cap, man, where the oil goes into the car. But yep, there we go. I'm going to conclude this video right now. Hey, don't mess with nothing. Oh. Alright, we'll catch y'all in the next part of the video. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Monday, January 18th, Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Anyways, yesterday we got a little bit done on the RB. Let me show you here. I had to move it back out of the way. We still got a long way to go. But we got everything off. On the intake side, we got the full intake off. Tried to clean up the block a good bit. Looks a whole lot better than what it was. It was so rusted and filthy. All these lines, I've got a lot of replacement lines in a crate that the guy that owns the car had brought over here. Got all the accessories off the front, and then we got all the way around the side here on the exhaust. Exhaust side, we tore a lot of this here off. There's a charge pipe that runs from each turbo. We took all that off and bolted a lot of the lines, and then we got one of the turbo elbows installed, and those were a pain in the ass. I wouldn't recommend going with these things. I would just stick with the stock ones. As far as that goes, I mean, you know, aftermarket stuff's always going to be a little harder to get to fit. Say hello.
Hello.
Alright, now go inside. It's cold. You're still in your PJs. Now, we still have to do this inside turbo elbow. That's going to be fun. Anywho, moving on. This is just going to be a quick... Everybody wants to call me when I'm filming. Hold on just a second. Alright, sorry about that. Anyways, that was just a quick rundown on what we did yesterday. The batteries on this camera suck, so now I just installed this battery 5 minutes ago, and it's already a quarter of the way down, and that's only maybe 3 minutes worth of filming. But anyways, today, as soon as my wife gets home from the grocery store, I gotta go and get another head gasket. I'm gonna pop this head off, put a new head gasket on. Import face off is January 31st, so I've got 2 weeks to get this all back together and get it going again, and hopefully I don't have any issues. Yesterday my aluminum radiator came in, and that will be going in today as well. A little cheapo DNA motoring, $50, you know, it's pretty good for the price, you know. But anyways, the injectors that we ordered for the Skyline were not right. Evidently they were for an RB25, which has a different style fuel rail. So he went ahead and ordered some RC injectors, pretty much like the ones that I've got on here. There. Those are 550cc injectors, and I think he ordered 650 cc's, maybe 650. I don't know. I can't freaking concentrate today. But anyways, that is pretty much gonna be a wrap for this video. So part 1 of the teardown on the RB. I think the next time I get paid, I'm gonna go ahead and buy r32. GoPro. See, I can't think today. Got too much shit on my mind. But we pretty much figured out all the power steering on this GTR. It's got 4-wheel steering, so you got this little pump here that runs from these lines here. They go all the way to the back for the steering components in the rear of the car, because this has 4-wheel steering. And you got one that goes to the oil cooler, or the power steering cooler, which is right there, and then that one comes around to the power steering pump, and then you got a hose that goes to the reservoir, and then you got another one that goes around the back down into the rack and pinion, and one of those goes to the rack and pinion. So it's just a big loop, basically all it is. And hope to God we've got all those parts. I've still got a lot of boxes to go through. Oh, and I just noticed he doesn't have a damn throwout bearing in here. Lovely. This is gonna freaking suck. No, he's not gonna like that. When I was telling him, oh yeah, you need a throwout bearing too, so might as well go ahead and order a whole damn clutch. Oh, it's a never-ending madhouse over here with this damn Skyline. So yeah, I've got a turbo blanket ordered for the HX35, which is this big ass freaking diesel turbo that I've got on here. I'm gonna get some heat wrap for my downpipe. I've got some subframe connectors and lower control arms for the rear. I got to order a camber kit so I can camber it in just a little more. I mean, it doesn't rub or anything. I've had these tires on here for a year. They do a pretty good job, but I've also got all my suspension components for the front that I need to install. And hopefully I can get all that done and get it aligned before IFO. And I guess since I'm pulling the head off today, I'm going to go ahead and put that damn that timing belt that I've got. I don't even know what brand it is, but it's one of them racing ones. I think it's a Gates, but it's blue. And I'm going to go ahead and do the AEM cam gear that I've got on this one, so that can be taken care of. Might as well just pull the whole freaking cam out. It's 272 grind. Oh hell, I might even just go as far as pulling all the damn valves out and use all those. It's got Crowler springs and retainers in it. At least have a strong top end, you know. Anyways, that's gonna call it a wrap for today. I appreciate everybody that subscribed in the last couple of weeks. I really appreciate the support. I'd like to see more jump on board. That's one of my goals, is to you know, I just want to get up there. I want to be known, you know. I'm about to start putting in some time on this, so I'll try to record some more as I go along today, but I'm not going to do it until I get back with the parts. But anyways, this will be the wrap for today, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a good one.